Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to tag everyone in a Facebook group. And now let's dive right in. Now to tag everyone in a Facebook group, you will be doing that on two places, either on the group post if some group has posted something like this guys, and over here you will be able to tag everyone on the comment section by typing @everyone, and after that enter your message. And after that guys, simply tap on the blue icon and send that comment to that post, and the @everyone text will turn blue, and everyone on that comment or that Facebook will be tagged. Another way you can do this is from the Messenger. Now in order to get to Messenger, let's tap on the Messenger icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on over there. Now in order to proceed guys, proceed to your group where you want to tag everyone. So from over here guys, in order to proceed again, you need to type @everyone, and after that enter your message, and after that send that message to this group. Then guys, everyone will be tagged on this Messenger group as well. And there guys, this is how you can tag everyone in a Facebook group. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.